Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to STM Public School, our arts department, humanities, political science class. This is Jasveer Kaur. I'll teach you both geography as well as political science. Once again, here to take the study material regarding your chapter number 3rd of political science, Indian Constitution book. So in this chapter we were discussing about the election system. Like in general we see that votes are there, ballot papers are there, EVM machines are there, people used to cast their votes, there are election booths, right? Different duties are given, voter list is prepared, when elections are to be conducted, different political parties are given symbol. Okay, election commission allot the symbols, declare the date of the elections, then the final days come when on which particular day or date elections are to be held. It is very general phenomena everywhere. There are elections, whatsoever countries are democratic, how democratic elections are held in different countries of the world. Here you may have heard the name of UK, USA, and India, Israel, and Netherlands, even Pakistan. Previously you may heard that one cricket player is the prime minister of their country. That country has been long time having the history of dictatorship or military rule. That our country also has been converted into this democratic country. Elections took place over there also. So owing to all these things, we have understood how far, how much elections are important in a democratic country. How we have to take all these things in a particular country. All these happening, right? In my previous video, I was telling you two system of election system, FPTP, first post the past, and proportional representation, PR, proportional representation, and there is some difference between both the systems. Although I gave you this question to prepare yourselves, right? But we cannot face each other within the class. I will held this in your oral test, right? Oral class, when there would be live class in the coming, I think Thursday we have our class. So I'll put there one link. From there we'll discuss some oral things face to face. So be attentive, be alert regarding your live class so that we may enjoy the facts while discussing, interacting face to face. We have to do this till this pandemic time period is not over, corona is not over, fully controlled. We have to hold our classes like that only. So first post the past system, the whole country is divided into small constituencies. Constituencies are the areas, right? जैसे आपने उनकी एक एरिया चुन लेता है कि लाइक राजस्थान हैज़ 25 elected constituencies, Goa has one, Sikkim has one, right? And MP, Punjab, different according, because it is different, because while deciding constituencies we have to take area as well as population. Area plus population, we take the average of the both, right? There is one criteria every time issued by election commission to set up. So according to this FPTP system, we divide the country into small constituencies, but on the other hand, when there is proportional representation system, there are large constituencies. and sometime it may happen that whole of the country can be converted into single constituency. For example, it is there in Israel and Netherlands, and the entire country may be into a single constituency. Got it? Second point, every constituency elects one representative, but on the other hand, proportional representative, more than one can be elected in according to this proportional, because they have to take the proportion of that series wise proportional rate, like 4:2:1, right? They have to take in this way. So more than one candidate can be there elected from one constituency, because voters vote for the party, not for the candidate. Then third point is voter votes for the candidate. Here voter votes for the party. Then winner may get more than even 1%, mean to say 50 plus 1% to be the victorious, to be the winner, right, of the votes. But here gets the majority. In proportional representation, who gets the majority, mean to say who is getting more votes. More votes may be more than 50%, more than 70%, more than 80%, mean to say highest proportion of the votes whosoever is getting. Then our next is party may get more seats than the votes in legislation. A party may get more seats in the legislation, but on the other hand, in proportional representation system, every party gets seats in the legislature in proportion to the percentage of the votes that party have got. That party have got means उसके साथ उसका proportional निकाल लिया जाता है. Like I gave you ratio of 5:3:1. In this way it is to be taken. Then candidate who wins, that I told you, such type of elections are held in UK and India, and proportional representation is conducted in Netherlands. So this system is followed there. In this system, every party declares list of its candidate, right? A proportional representation of Israel. Each party declares list of its candidates, but voters vote for the party, not for the candidate. A party gets seats in the legislature in proportion of the votes to the polled by the that allows even the smaller parties with very small support base to get representation in the legislature itself. A party must get a minimum of 3.25% votes to be eligible to get the seat in the legislature. This often leads to the multi-party coalition government, right? उनके कम से कम जो 3.25% votes वाला candidate भी है, that can also have seat in the legislature. So in this way there is one table given on your book, right? So you have to see that table, that there is a limited scale for indirect election. The Constitution prescribed a third and complex variation of the peer system, peer proportional representation system of the election of the President, Vice President, and for the election to Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Parishad legislative assemblies. And in this way, this system is single transferable voting system also. The single transferable vote system, that is called STV. It is followed by in Indian Rajya Sabha elections. Single transferable voting system is adopted in India for Rajya Sabha election. You may have seen that. You may never heard about Rajya Sabha election at our level. You always heard about this Lok Sabha election or MLA's election, right? Whosoever Rajya Sabha elections are there, that is according to this formula STV. Every state has a specific quota of seats in Rajya Sabha. The members are elected by the representative state legislative assemblies. The voters are the MLAs. ठीक है, MLAs वोट डालते हैं. Every voter is required to rank candidate according to her or her own preference, and that is to be declared the winner. A candidate must secure minimum quota of vote which is determined by this formula. Total vote polled upon number of candidates to be declared one. Total votes, right? How many total votes? कितने total votes? ये बेटा कैंसर है. Total vote पोल हुए हैं accordingly upon number of candidates to be elected. Number of candidates to be elected plus one, here also plus one. In this way this formula is there. For example, if Rajya Sabha, 4 members of Rajya Sabha are to be elected by 200 MLA in Rajasthan. Wait students. Or I can give it to you as a homework. As an homework. Please see, note it down. I am telling you the question. 4 Rajya Sabha members have to be elected by 200 MLAs in Rajasthan. The winner would require how many votes? 2 upon 4 into 1. 200 upon 4 into 1. It would be 50 plus 1. It would be 50 plus 1, and when the votes are counted, it is done on the basis of first preference vote secured by each candidate, of which candidate less secured first preference vote. If after the counting of all the first preferences, right, लोगों के पास ये ऑप्शन होता है कि माई फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस इज दिस कैंडिडेट, सेकंड इज दिस, थर्ड इज दिस एंड फोर्थ इज दिस. तो किसी ने इसको किया, किसी ने हो सकता है जिसको आपने फोर्थ किया है उसको किसी और ने फर्स्ट किया, किसको आपने थर्ड किया उसको किसी और ने फर्स्ट किया. लाइक दैट इट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. यू हैव प्रेफरेंसेस, फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस, सेकंड प्रेफरेंस, थर्ड प्रेफरेंस. Suppose if you are appearing for any type of examination, competitive examination, there are preferences which center you want, no? So accordingly people also give this, for the party also give this preferences wise candidate, right? So who has secured the lowest vote of first preference, that can be eliminated. ठीक है, और उसकी जो वोट्स होती हैं दैट आर ट्रांसफर्ड टू द सेकंड प्रेफरेंस ऑन दैट बैलेट पेपर एंड प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू टिल द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स आर declared elected. Very fantastic and interesting. In this way the votes are not going waste also, ना. उसका जो कोटा दूसरे में जमा कर दिया उसमें प्लस करके तो दे गो टू द हाईएस्ट proportional system. In this way, this is the major difference between and comparative study between FPTP and proportional representation system of election. Okay students, bye, take care.